Nice. Oh, that was good. The pressure.
I like pressure.
That wind says, fuck you. Yes!
Second shot.
Why won't it zoom?
Will it go that way?
Oh, that's really good.
Oh, life is hard. Oh, it's all right. You didn't lose it. Did you get it?
Ow, fuck, you hear it?
Chunked it, but it'll roll.
You, Stephanie, liked your fingers in her whiskey. Oops. You got any hot dogs? That was it. We don't need our man to tell us what clubs to play. You're 133.
133.
Okay, so 7.
7, yes.
Yeah.
I just think I feel like I can hit my 3. The wind's in my face, and it's at the back of the green.
Right on the fairway. That was it. Beautiful. You almost hit the bird. That would have been a few points.
Okay.
Hit high, motherfucker. Sorry, I forget about the lines.
That's bad. Yes. Like, I'll go away.
Fucking sand.
What is he doing? You need to go, dude. Okay, let's. You want to play with me?
Yeah, sure. How many do we do there?
4 hours.